Gracy Kiyona. I'm 32 years old from Tanzania. I'm suffering from rheumatoid arthritis for the 10 years.
My name is Agnes Kiyona from Tanzania. I come with my young sister Gracy Kiyona. She's suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. She faced it in 10 years, but since we came here, we met with Dr. Rajshekar K.T.
I've been doing hip and knee replacement surgery dedicatedly. I've been doing robotic surgeries, and this is the international patient from Tanzania, Mrs. Grace. She's 32 years old. She has been suffering from a severe rheumatoid arthritis affecting both hips and both knees, shoulder and elbow joint. But at present, she was unable to walk because of the knees. She has a bilateral severe deformities like knock knee. We did a robotic-assisted knee replacement surgery for both sides, not at the same time, with a gap of 2-3 days. And with that, she was able to walk comfortably in the same day. And then after 2-3 days, once she became comfortable, we did other side. With that, she became mobile. She don't have much pain. She is very happy. With this robotic surgery, life become very easy and mobility has improved a lot. So what I want to say is, this robotic surgery is excellent surgery, provided if you plan it well, execute it well by getting a proper alignment, balance the ligaments and fixation. These three important parameters, and we can achieve it with robotic surgery. So there we can prevent the outliers and untoward complications. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, the whole staff of Apollo Hospital. Thank all for what you have done to us. You bring smile to our family, to our country. So our sincere gratitude goes direct to Dr. Rajshekar K.T. for his amazing job, amazing treatment. But even if the whole staff, what they done to us is awesome.
Thank you, Dr. Rajshekar and the Apollo Hospital for the good and quality service I had, and now I'm feeling better.